Hey, so this is my first video. I've been putting things off for a while, honestly, and at some point just decided, okay, I'm doing it. Not gonna wait until my setup looks professional or not gonna wait until I have the perfect lighting. Just start. So yeah, let me tell you a bit about myself and what I want to do here. My name is Konstantin. I'm a software developer. I've been writing code for more than 10 years now in different companies, startups, all kind of stuff. But the last couple of years, my work has changed a lot. I used to spend my whole day writing code from scratch, like just me and the editor, and now I write code with AI most of the time. And it's not just coding. I started using AI for basically everything, like research or planning, organizing my notes, even stuff like writing emails or figuring out my schedule. It kind of took over how I do things, and honestly, yeah, I think in a good way. And yeah, I know I can produce a lot of garbage. I know that perfectly. But from what I experienced myself, if you know what you're doing, these tools make you several times more productive. That's not hype, that's what I see every day. And the thing is, it's moving really fast. So the people who learn to use it well now, they're going to have a huge advantage going forward. And that's basically what got me thinking about making videos. So here's the thing. I spent a lot of time figuring out how to actually use these tools. Not just playing around with them, but building real workflows. Stuff that actually saves me time. And I think a lot of that could be useful for other people too. Because there are a ton of content about AI out there, but most of it kind of general. Not a lot of it is about specific problems, like here's the task, here's how to make AI solve it, which tools to use, and how much time you could save. That's what I want to show. I'm not saying I'm some kind of expert. I'm figuring out things as I go, same as everyone else, but I do use these tools every single day, and I've learned a lot. So I want to share that process, what works and what doesn't. So what's actually going to be on this channel? It's some practical stuff, how I use AI in my work, in my projects, what actually helps, what doesn't. Like, I plan my entire day with one commentary morning. Or I took a messy PDF and pulled structured data out there. Or I needed to research something properly, and instead of spending the whole evening in Google, I do it in 10 minutes. I'm not going to cover every new tool that comes out. I'll just show what I use and I'll be honest about it. If something doesn't work, I show that too. I'm going to post every 2 weeks now. Might speed up later, but that's what actually feels realistic with full-time job. Next video is going to be a real tutorial. I'll show you workflow I actually use every single day. If you want to see that, please subscribe. That's it for this one. I needed to start somewhere, so here it is. See you in the next one.